Ah. Hello.
Hello.
Guess what this is?
Bed monkeys.
Yes. Karen.
Andy.
Hi. Welcome back.
Yes.
This is our post-Christmas Bed Monkeys.
Yay.
Christmas
for
was a few days ago. And for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, a happy Hanukkah, mighty Kwanzaa, dashing Diwali, happy Festivus.
Super solstice.
Yes.
And I hope you had a nice Thursday.
Yes. A super Thursday.
Super Thursday.
Yeah. So we will have a special edition of What's in the Bed.
Yes.
For that. Yes.
Tree's still up. Some
Yes.
people have already tossed their tree to the curb.
Oh, how
Like
sad.
the day after Christmas, it was at the curb.
Communists.
Yeah.
Ours is up. It'll be up till the Feast of the Peaseanatomy.
Mm-hmm.
January
Celebrate the
6th.
stitches. Yeah. Jesus had a big head. And Dunice, the angel.
Toonies. And I'm Toonies.
Yes. Thank you to our friends, the Weltons, who got us Dunice, the angel whose head falls off.
She's got these big beefy. We'll show her to you tomorrow.
Actually, we could probably show it right now.
I could.
I was figuring insert a picture.
Oh. Yeah.
It'd be easier just to insert the picture. Let's show it to you right now. There she was.
So.
Oh, we get to give each other presents?
We do.
Because it's
after
post-Christmas.
Christmas.
And everybody's
Past Boxing Day.
everybody's inboxes were flooded with before Christmas is like, okay, it's Merry Christmas, and then it's last minute, last chance to save with free shipping, last chance. Oh, now you're the last minute gifter. Oh, what can you still do with the gift card? And then it's oh, happy returning. You're gonna return your clearance
Post holiday
sales.
sales.
Look great for New Year's. We have Relax the Back. So up to
And
page 35.
We're revisiting What on Earth because there's so many weird things in here.
Up to 35, darling.
8, please.
Ooh, A through F. Oh, no, wait. Let's give you A through H because it's like the whole... Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, A through H because both pages are like the whole thing.
C.
C. You got the new Tempur Huggable Comfort.
Tempura pillow?
The Tempura Huggable Comfort pillow. Not quite like the Japanese ones that are shaped like ladies' laps.
Oh, that's too creepy.
This one, you could have gotten the Snake Whole Body Support Pillow. Which is, I guess you could put a man's head at the end of it and pretend like...
Why would you want to do
put
that?
a girl's head.
Oh, we've got one.
Ooh, oh, we do. All right, so that's what you get. You get this pillow. Oh, wait, that costs, $99 to $139
For a pillow?
for a pillow.
Wow.
Well, that's not even the most expensive one on the
My
list.
head worth that much? You be the judge. 111.
6. Ah.
Ding, like magic, I have my glasses on. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in the middle. I'll include this one as 5.
2.
Oh!
Oh, nuts.
You get Minecraft, the complete handbook collection. Could have had an awesome clock or a pocket monkey wallet utility tool.
I want to see that.
Or a Tetris lamp.
Oh, what's that Minecraft thing?
It's those manuals we saw
Oh,
at the
the
bookstore.
manuals. Oh.
Yeah.
I want a
Sorry.
Tetris now.
Karen,
Yes?
what's in the bed?
I only know half of what's in the bed. My own half.
Well, did you want to go first? You want me to go first?
You go first.
All right.
Andy, what did you have in the bed? robots in the bag.
I am monitored to answer to the name Robbie.
Oh. Oh. And
It's a funny chibi looking Robbie the robot. And his friend Danger Will Robinson from Lost in Space. Ooh. We can recreate the Lost in Space episode War of the Robots. Yes, both designed by the same man. This from the movie Forbidden Planet. This from Lost in Space. Danger.
Yay!
Yay.
Andy's robots.
Yay.
He's got a big robot collection.
I do, and these are little robots.
And these are little chibi robots. Oh, very nice. Well, I've got a couple different kinds of things in the bed. One of them is something.
One's a ferret.
No, this one is a found item,
Oh.
which you're going to show in close up.
Yes.
Because we found this on a walk, and we know these are bracelets, and they make them in different shapes. And this one, Andy looked at and was like, why is it a dude running with his dick out? Andy figured out that he is playing guitar.
Air guitar. He was playing
Air
guitar,
guitar.
yeah, he's
Air
really
guitar.
got a
There we
guitar.
go. Like he's
And
got
his-
one leg up.
His schlong is actually the neck of the guitar.
Yeah, but it looks like this is made for kids. Why is this guy running with his schlong waving to the world? Like the guy in the paper that we just saw that was a local guy. We know the street that he, just over there, apparently standing in his front window in the door,
Self-pleasuring.
putting a shine on it. Even when the police showed up, still doing it. The cop said he could see him through the
Apparently he likes a man in uniform. All right, what else you got?
This is a combination.
36, 24, 36.
Oh, that's my combination. This is a combination. Wait. Present and found item.
How is that possible?
C is for cookie, that good enough for me. C is for cookie, that good enough for me.
Yes, I gave her a magnetic letter C for Christmas.
We found Cookie Monster vintage on the street. No, that's not true. Nom 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 nom. Ah! Oh!
Tell your magical.
Wait,
Where'd it go?
wait, no. Me no feel so good. This leads into my other present.
Yeah, it does come out of the package.
I know, but I don't want to unwrap it yet. It's new. I only just got it. That cookie good.
Well, that was a wonderful, wonderful belch.
Thank you. You know, like? Check it out.
When did he become Hispanic?
Hey, I can do whatever I want.
He's got a bright idea.
Me want more cookie. Me have to pay for it. Me have no money. Shut up! All you shut up! I make money. Oh, I I promise. Me getting face cramp. That better. Oh, me sick. Oh. No, don't laugh at me. Me have intestinal problem. Oh, so sad.
This is how simple it is to buy for her.
And that's what's in the bag.
Yay.
Yay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas, sweetie.
Thank you, Andy. Merry Christmas.
And
Burp, beep, burp.
Happy New Year to all of you.
And Happy New Year. Oh, it's our neighborhood, is it? Yup. Yay!
Awesome.
I don't think. Do you have the C?
No, I don't know where it is.
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
We lost the letter C.
I found items.